Yeah, Ronnie!
I think I got it.
Yeah, Ronnie got it.
Ron, you got it?
Yeah, Ronnie got it.
Get out of here. You missed?
Yeah, I missed.
Oh, really?
I rushed it.
We need to put that out.
Here,
Go
come on.
get the bears. Put it out.
I got it.
Put it out. Put it out.
Yeah. Stay back, Ron. Oh my God, it blew a fucking hole right in the bottom of the thing. Who's got a pee?
I just peed before I left here. Yeah, I'm not getting that much. Yeah, I would just let it burn. So it's gas.
Yeah, just keep it under control.
Well, you want to put the leaves out. You gotta put the leaves out.
What the hell is that?
That's the rag.
The rag.
I thought it blew a hole in that thing.
What should I do with this?
Nothing.
Just put it down. Why
It's a rock.
Oh, that stinks.
Yeah, it's probably still a little bit of gas.
Yeah, I want to see that when it's. Yeah, there's gas in that, Scott. It's still coming out. Look. Somebody hit it right in the top of it.
That looks like a Mazanagat.
No, that was Ronnie.
That ain't no 22.
It might have been.
That's entrance.
No, it's probably because when I hit it.
That's exit. That ain't no 22.
Yeah,